Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change Facebook page name on desktop computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change Facebook page name, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Now select the page. I am selecting my page, my tech life. And now again click on the profile icon on upper right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on page setup. And here you will find an option name. Click on name. And then you will find name and your page name, and here you will find an option edit. Click on edit. Now you can change the page name from here. I am changing the name, and now click on review change. Just verify this is my current name and new name is this one, my tech experience. And now here type the password of your account and then click on request change. The request has been sent and the name will be changed. Reload, and look, the name has been changed. This is the easiest way to change Facebook page name on desktop computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.